Are you self-employed and not sure how to calculate, file, and pay the Affordable Housing Levy through iTax portal? Let's go through the process step by step. Before we go to iTax, let's quickly recap a very few important points about the Affordable Housing Levy. So for self-employed persons who are not employers, the levy is charged at 1.5% of gross income, which is received or accrued. So in this case, received means income that you have actually received or you have been paid, while accrued, it means income that you have earned or you become entitled to even if you have not been paid or you have not received the income yet. So the housing levy is due on the 9th working day after the end of the month in which the gross income was received or accrued. So for example, by working day, KRA simply means Monday from Monday to Friday, excluding Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays. So for example, if the income relates to July, we start counting the working days from August 1st, sorry. So the 9th working day is the deadline for paying the July Affordable Housing Levy. So take note that this is different from payee, where payee and Shiv, the deadline is 9th day of the following month, which simply means the deadline is 9th of that following month. But in this case, it's the 9th working day. So take note of that. I've done a separate video with detailed affordable housing levy updates. You can find the link to the video in the description below. So let's now see how to generate and pay the affordable housing levy through iTax. So you log into your iTax profile using your KRA PIN and password as usual. Then once you're logged in, go to the payments menu and select payment registration, and then click next to proceed. Under the tax head, select agency revenue. Then under the tax subhead, select housing levy. Then next, select the tax period. So this should be the month for which you are paying the affordable housing levy. Then under amount to be paid, enter the amount of affordable housing levy payable. So this amount is calculated manually, so take note of that. You have to calculate it manually for a self-employed person. It's different from employers. So you'll simply take your total gross income for the month that you're paying for, and then you calculate 1.5% of that. So for example, if your gross income for the previous month was 200,000 shillings, then 1.5% of 200,000 shillings will give us 3,000 shillings. So 3,000 is the amount that we enter here. So if you use eTIMS, I have a separate video showing you how to check your income from the iTax dashboard. So if you want to use exactly the amount that you made through eTIMS, you can check through the iTax dashboard. So I will also be able to do another video specifically on this process. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel to get the next video. So once you have entered the amount, click Add. Under the mode of payment, you select Other Payment Methods. Then submit the payment registration. iTax will generate the payment slip for you. So what you need to do is download the payment slip and use it to make your payment through any of the available payment channels indicated on the payment slip, including your M-Pesa. You'll find the M-Pesa details there, the pay bill number and the account number to use. And that is how you generate and pay the affordable housing levy for self-employed persons through iTax. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more accounting and tax tutorials. In my next video, I'll show you how to check your income from the iTax dashboard if you're using iTunes. So make sure you subscribe to so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.